160,942 views. So if you stay to the end, I will show you how to actually do this and how to actually duplicate the success, because it's going to end up being one of my bonuses if you join with me soon, okay? And anybody that joins in the meantime, I will hook them up at whatever level they're at, okay? So look at this. April 1st, I reached 25,000 views, okay? That's 22 days, okay? But I skipped a day. I didn't upload, and I'm only uploading 3 videos, 3 shorts a day, okay? So that's 21 days, 135,000, is it 135 or 140? Yeah, 135,000 views, okay? And I'm going to show you more of these milestones real quick. Here's 40,000 views on April 2nd. So one day I went from 15,000 views, okay? Then I went to 95,000 views, okay, in 8 days, okay? Then I hit 100,000 views 10 days into the thing, okay? And then let me go to my other account. There we go. All right, so wait, this is not the right one. Let me see. vidIQ. Okay. Is this the right one? No, it's not. Okay, so this is an actual payment in my wallet. So I'm going to hold that thought. I'll get to it. I'll show you in just a minute. Okay. Now, as you can see, in April, I've hit April 2nd, April 9th, April 16th, and it's April 23rd. So every week I've been paid this so far this month. Okay, look, here's $26 straight to my wallet, $127.50 straight to my wallet. I'm sorry, straight to my bank account. $99.50 straight to my bank account, and $27.50 more. Okay, that is in the April 2nd, April 9th, April 16th, April 23rd. 4 payments for one-time work from people I didn't even know. Okay, now I'm going to go back to vidIQ. Okay. And again, I'm not promising you anything. Your results depend on your hard work, your consistency, and your effort, okay? The system works, our training works, will help you build your primary business, including your own funnel. We'll train you and your people and your people's people, but you actually have to put in work, okay? If you go to work at a 9 to 5 and you don't show up, you're most likely going to be fired, especially if you don't call in, okay? Now look, 125,000 views, which is 5 days ago, okay? Since then, I've gotten to 160,000, 35,000 views, okay, more. And here's the last one, 150,000 views on 3 days ago, okay? And these aren't, let me go real quick to show you that these aren't people just ghosting me, okay? Let me see. YouTube Studio, okay. I'll be right back. So as you can see, 143,000 views in the last 28 days. 65,000 are engaged views. 2.1K likes. Plus 36 subscribers, okay? These are just in the last 28 days, but it's a lot less than that. Plus 35 subscribers, 600% more in the last 28 days. Look, everything is on the rise, okay? Now, again, I'm not promising you anything, but it will work if you work the system. So how am I doing this? Well, everything starts with blogging, okay? So, sovereign exit strategy. You want to watch to the end, okay? You're going to miss something crucial, okay? The day 14 manifesto for, this is the wrong article. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the 3-step sovereign exit strategy using system overlap. And what am I doing here? I'm blogging, okay? This is the key to everything I'm doing, because it's, again, one-time work and evergreen results. What does that mean? It means my blog isn't going anywhere, okay? My YouTube videos aren't going anywhere. They're just going to continue to sit there, and anybody can access them days, weeks, months, years, even decades later, okay? Everybody that have joined me, they've been strangers, okay? Nobody, they didn't know me before. They started but they started reading my blog or watching my video, and then they just join me, or they have a few questions, or they say, "Hey, I'm gonna join you tomorrow or next week or whatever." I didn't know these people. This is because of not Facebook, not Instagram, but the blog and the YouTube, the evergreen traffic. They spend their day wandering the social media wilderness, posting content into the void, praying that a billionaire's algorithm will finally choose them for a moment of fame. They treat their business like a lottery ticket and their future like a someday project. They're the virgins or newbies of the digital era, uninitiated, unprotected, and utterly dependent on the very systems that are designed to keep them small. If you've been following this 14-day sequence, you've felt the shift. You've seen the digital infrastructure and that being built in the trenches. You've seen the ghost sales hidden at midnight. You've heard the truth about the 45-hour reality check in Reno that changed everything for me and my family 17 months ago. But today we stop teaching. Today we close the gap. Today we implement the sovereign exit strategy. See, the search engines nowadays are smart, and the AI bots are smart. They're not only reading your articles, okay, reading your posts, they're listening for what you say, okay? So why wouldn't I do one thing and post it multiple ways, okay? And I'll show you results. This is actually working, okay? This is an article from a video from yesterday, and look, it's ranked #1 on Google, my YouTube video. This is AI overview. It does not count, okay? And you can see I'm in incognito mode, okay? Now I'm going to check on YouTube. Guess what? Not one, not two, but 3 different videos, okay? This is a short. This is another short. Again, different actual themes. This is 113. This is 129. And this is my actual video, okay? Even my shorts are doing the same thing, okay? I'm saying the words over and over again because they're listening, okay? So I've showed you ranked 1, 2, 3 on the first page of YouTube and first on Google, okay? For something that was posted 2 days ago. Okay, now back to the blog. Hope I didn't just close it. I think I did. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Sovereign exit strategy. Stop building on rented land. The social media trap. Stop scrolling. Breathe. Look at your hands. Are those hands building your legacy, or are they just feeding an algorithm that doesn't know your name? I'm just a messenger. Most marketers have a business that is actually just a job they own. They're building on rented land, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. You are a tenant farmer. You're watering someone else's bamboo. The second the platform wizards change a single line of code, your reach, your revenue, and your security vanish into the corporate swamp. Okay? The sovereign exit starts with a total reclamation of your focus. You must move to own land. This blog you're reading right now is my land. My email list is my fortress. My domain is my sovereign territory. The wizard's truth is simple. If you don't own the distribution, you don't own the business. The rookie is terrified of the work it takes to build a blog. The architect knows that the only way to ensure that when the next algorithm update hits, their family's still eating. We use social media as a funnel, never as the foundation. Sovereign exit strategy, stacking your residuals via system overlap. The corporate world teaches you how to diversify until you're spread so thin that you have no power. In the sovereign engine, we do the opposite. We use system overlap. System overlap is a mechanical advantage of stacking high-speed cash flow with long-term armor. We aren't just looking for a way to make money, we're looking for a way to exit the 9-to-5 swamp permanently. You can even make money with this blog, okay? Get paid 40% commissions for one-time work, okay, and rank much quicker because this has authority, this blog, okay. It doesn't take months, years, most likely sometimes even decades to rank, okay. You can rank from your very first article. You can rank within days or a week, okay. But you got to get started. You got to actually join us, and we'll teach you how to do this stuff, okay. To do this, we use the Home Business Academy all-in model. This is the vehicle for the exit. The 128 residual math will teach you how to rank on Google. We won't just teach you, we'll teach your people and your people's people. Okay, the $128 residual math. How do you make $128 per month per person with 80% commissions for every single month for one-time work? Well, you start with your primary business and you build your primary business. We help you build your primary business and we train your people freeing up your time, okay? The funnel builder, 25. This is the handshake. It's the tool that lets you build your own land. It pays $20 a month residual. Premium traffic and conversions, 125. This is the engine. You can get started with this for just $25. We have a $35 trial that you start with 2 weeks trial on premium traffic and conversions, and then you could potentially get 2 sales and you're in profit, okay? This is the engine. It's the air support that feeds your business. It pays $100 a month residual. The Let's Go app. This is what I like to call the Miracle Morning on steroids. It pays $8 per month per person per residually. The overlap. For a total cost of $160 a month, you're positioned to earn up to $128 a month in residuals for every person you help exit the swamp. This is the highest commission structure in the industry, 80%, while the 98% are fighting over 3% Amazon affiliate links or 10% MLM crumbs. The architects are staking 128 residuals to fund their war for freedom. Sovereign exit strategy, while the 1700-day war ends today. I've been in the SEO trenches for 20 years. I remember the sound of dial-up modems in the era before influencers existed. I've seen every get-rich-quick scheme come and go. But more importantly, I've seen the 1700-day war play out in my own life. When my wife was hit by a car at 45 miles an hour 17 months ago, I didn't have the luxury of trying things out. I needed a sovereign exit that worked while I was in the hospital waiting room. I needed the system overlap to hold the fort while I couldn't. The war ends today because you are presented with a sieve. We aren't here to convince you. We don't hope you join. We are sieving for the people who are tired of being high-paid slaves to the earner trap. If you aren't willing to invest $128 a month to own your life, to own your distribution, and to secure your family's future against the 45-mile-per-hour moments of life, then you are choosing the cage. You are choosing the wooden sword. The corporate swamp is rising, the tax man is coming, the debt trap is set. The only way out is a hard exit into the syndicate. Sovereign exit strategy, the mechanical architecture of your freedom. To understand the sovereign exit, you must understand the 3 layers of the engine we built over the last 13 days. And actually it's 12. This is day 13. The root system, day 11. Your parent block. This is the SEO asset that lives on owned land, okay? It is your 24/7 salesman that never sleeps and cannot be deplatformed. The air support, day 9. The traffic syndicate. This is where we stop guessing and start buying tier 1A USA buyer leads to fuel the machine. If you join me at all 3 levels, and you can start for just $35, and in 2 weeks pay the $125, I will buy you traffic over and over again out of my own pocket, out of my profits, okay? Over and over again. And as more people join me, I'm going to scale and buy more and more traffic. That sound good to you? I'll help you build your list. I'll help you build your business. If that sounds good to you, you got to lock arms with me. You got to team up with me. You got to partner with me and get my bonuses, okay? Where even if you join the 10, the 25, or the 125 level, you get all of our bonuses except for the air support day 9, the traffic, okay? Every other bonus comes in at the $10 level. Sound pretty cool? You can get training for your people and your people's people for just $10 a month. And you can earn $8 per month per person at the lowest level. The Vault, day 12, the Financial Literacy Academy. This is the armor that ensures your 128 monthly residuals stay in your pocket instead of being bled out by interest rates and invisible leaks. When these 3 systems overlap, it's actually 4. I'll fix that real quick. You create a sovereign sieve. You stop chasing people and you start attracting architects. You stop working for money and you start owning the machine that produces it. The newbie looks at $60 a month, cost of going all in, and sees that's $160. And sees an expense. The wizard looks at the same number, sees the price of a boarding pass for the last flight out of the swamp. Every day what you wait is another day you're watering someone else's bamboo. Every day you spend researching is another day you're unprotected against a world that doesn't care about you or your soul. The sovereign exit strategy is live. The syndicate is forming. The 1700-day war ends when you decide to hold the fort. HBA Financial Literacy Academy and Sovereign Exit Strategy Fact. Does this strategy work for beginners? The Sovereign Exit was designed by an SEO veteran, but is executed by anyone willing to follow the blueprint. The HBA Funnel Builder is the handshake that makes the tech easy so you can focus on the architecture. Why focus on 128 residuals? Because 128 per person is the highest leverage in the digital space. It only takes a handful of all-ins, 24, to get you $3,072 per month, okay? Architects to cover your mortgage, your car payment, and your exit in the 9 to 5. We focus on the big math because small math won't save you in a 45-mile-per-hour world, okay? I'm not promising you anything again. Your results depend on you and your hard work and your hard effort, okay? But this works if you work it. This is JJ Sally, aka John Sally, aka your friendly neighborhood Sally man. Don't delay, get with Jada today. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace!